Hi everyone. A lot of people are interested in making YouTube videos but can be intimidated by the equipment they should be using or in general how to get started. So today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of me making a DIY YouTube video on my 2017 BMW M3 to show you exactly what it takes to make a short clip and whether or not this is something that you could do at home. Now, when I make YouTube videos, I use two types of cameras. The camera that I'm speaking to right now is a more professional camera with a higher end lens and a professional sound system. I am actually mic'd up. There's a receiver on the camera. The camera is positioned on a sturdy tripod, although I do use a kind of a flimsy tripod from time to time. And I use this system for making reviews and sort of high-end videos. And obviously the quality on a camera like this is a lot higher, the sound is a lot better. So some people think that using high-end cameras can get you more views. I don't necessarily think that's the case. To me, it's the content that you produce, which is why I use this thing as my primary go-to camera. This is a GoPro 8 that is wrapped in a Media MOD, and Media MOD is essentially a case that GoPro produces which gives you all these cold shoes, which means you can stick various attachments here. And the best thing is that it's got an enhanced microphone, so you can use this as your vlogging system on something like this. This actually converts to a little tripod. You can connect this to a suction cup. You can even put this whole system on a tripod. And another great thing is that this Media MOD allows you to use an external microphone. So a lot of times when I make videos, I actually use this professional microphone that's connected to this camera right now, and I hook it up to this. So it gives me the best of both worlds. I have a tiny camera which has an amazing video quality, and I connect it to this amazing sound system, and it's just a win-win situation. Today we're going to be DIYing this sunglass holder which clips into this handle right over here. It essentially replaces it. So first thing I do when I prep for videos, I try to figure out which camera is better to use, and in this case I'm going to use the little one because again it's a lower cost of entry, anyone can use it, and I really prefer to maneuver this one, especially since I don't have to use the external microphone. The end video that you're going to see is going to be made using just this microphone, so you can see or hear the actual quality. Now, in this case, since we're not vlogging, we're not necessarily doing this, or we're not putting the camera on a tripod, we're not going to be using this attachment, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to use a suction cup along with this extension, which gives me just a bit more flexibility to position the camera so it's angled at exactly what I'm working at. The beauty of a sunroof is that you can attach all these devices to it. So I figured that this will give me a pretty good view for what I'm trying to film. Now, we're not gonna obviously start filming like this. We have to make an introduction. Okay, so we're gonna close the door to get a better sound and to focus on this area. We're gonna hold the camera here. I'm going to hit record, and here he goes. You ready? Now, a lot of times I do multiple takes, so this is what it is. And I usually don't script it; it just comes naturally. But let's see. All right, thinking about it. And again, it also it's important to stay energetic. You don't want to sound monotone and whatnot. You kind of want to sound like you're having fun. Sometimes I do forget about it. I make it into a task as opposed to something fun. So keep that in mind. It's got to be fun. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your grab handle into a sunglass holder. Well, that was easy. Let's see if we can give it even more energy. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert your grab handle into a sunglass holder. Yeah, that's pretty good. So now the next shot I typically show the product, and in this case I'm going to take it out of the box. I'm going to get it ready, and I'm going to probably position the camera here. Again, I'm not a pro. I just want to make sure that when I take it out of the box it is visible. Perfect. All right, check this out. And this is the product we're going to be using. I got this on Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description and pick them up as you please. Let's try this again. And this is the product that we're going to be using. I'm going to link it in the description. So I think in editing, I'm going to see and pick which one I like best. Here's a little scoop. A lot of times before I actually do something, I do it off camera just to see what I'm getting myself into first. And it seems to me that there's a little latch that I need to undo. Ah, got it. Okay, I think we got it. I had to reposition the camera and I actually shifted the light from the bottom to the side hot shoe. Again, this Media Mod, fantastic for this GoPro. So here we go. So first thing you do is 3, 2, 1, go. So first thing you do is this is what they look like. Oh my God. Ugh. My neck bending this way. Ugh. Seriously. Sucks. Okay. So now I think the angle is great to show what this looks like. Let's just see if I can use, perfect. All right, so this little screwdriver works and I know exactly what to do next. Let's see if we can get it with one take. Next, with these covers removed, and now you can easily remove it. Oh my God, seriously, my neck is killing me. Ow. Next, let's see if this thing works. So it looks like this uses screws. Okay, and these covers you put at the very end. Got it, got it. Okay. Well, this is pretty straightforward. And when it comes to the alignment, let's see. Do we have, perfect. Awesome. Seriously, super, super easy. Next, the company provides pay attention to how easy this is going to be in the edit. Seriously. But as far as you're concerned, this was a fairly easy insert. Okay, the two clips are in now. Next, what we do is, and you now got yourself a fully functional sunglass holder that used to be a grab handle. So you can easily put your favorite pair of sunglasses, leave them in here, and they'll be safe and you'll know where. So you can easily store your favorite pair of sunglasses. Okay, so this was it. Now, this quick video is done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the light off because I don't need it shining at my face. I'm going to take the GoPro off of this mount. I'm gonna put it back onto my favorite mount. And the reason why I love this mount is not only is it telescopic, so it goes up or down, you can swivel it so you can do a lot of vlogs. We can also put it on a flat surface because the legs open up. See, you can even put it like this. Super, super versatile. I highly, highly recommend it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna link it down in the description for you. So yeah, let's clean the lens. Let's just make sure we're in video mode. And let's conclude this video. No. I actually have to close the door so we'll get a better sound and a sort of better angle here. You ready for this? And we're done. And we're done. I hope this was somewhat helpful. As you can see, it's a fairly easy process, but it gives you this amazing storage for your favorite pair of And we're done. I hope this was easy for you to follow, no. And we're done. A lot of times I have trouble concluding the video. And we're done. I hope this was somewhat easy and you could follow it, but this simple tool, And we're done. I hope this was somewhat helpful and we're done. And we're done. And that's it. Now we're gonna go clean up. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the footage from this GoPro into my editor and I'm gonna edit it. I'm actually gonna make a separate video on how I edit my videos. So that should be coming up as a follow-up to this one. But in this case, I wanted to show you exactly what it takes to make a YouTube video and whether or not you should be intimidated or not. Yes, there are more complicated videos which require a lot of editing, multiple angles and whatnot. But in my case, for the most part, I use one angle. Sometimes I do two. From time to time, I use my phone to do a sort of nice videos. When I was showing you the tripod and the camera, for example, I used my phone to do that, and I supplement it usually in the editor. But again, it's super straightforward. And now, without any further ado, let me show you what the actual video looks like. So enjoy this. Thank you very much for watching. I feel like I already said it, but I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to convert your grab handle into a sunglass holder. And this is the product that we're going to be using. I'm going to link it in the description below, but essentially it's a case for your sunglasses, your prescription glasses that replaces the grab handle. It is attached using 2 screws. It's a very easy DIY. So first thing you do is you identify the grab handle you want to replace. It could be the driver's side or the passenger side. It doesn't really matter. You flip it up and you see these 2 covers. You want to grab some sort of a pick tool and remove this cover. It simply just slides out. This is what it looks like. See, it sort of pushes in and it covers these clips. So you just want to sort of yank it from the back and push it out. These things also super handy. I'm going to link it in the description for you. And let's remove the second one. Next, with these covers removed, you want to insert a screwdriver, and inside you have a little clip that sort of looks like a V. What you want to do is you want to take a flathead screwdriver, stick it in there and unclip it. You want to do it on both sides, and it's best if you actually use 2 screwdrivers. Let's see if we can use this pin, but essentially you want to push the clips in and push. There you go, it came out. This is what it looks like. So see, what I'm doing is I'm basically squeezing these 2 guys in, so they have to be pushed in order for them to be pulled out of this metal casing. This grab handle is metal. So once again, we're pushing one here and we're pushing the other one and pulling at the same time. There we go. And it is out. So once again, this is what the clip looks like. What you want to do is, see, when I was going in from the inside, I was pushing it out in like this. So it basically clears this area here. And now you can easily remove it. Next, the company provides these 2 inserts. And what they do is, you see, they have these clips similar to the clips you have on the original handle. And what they do is they clip into these areas. So let's push it in here. And the second one clips into this area. The 2 clips are in now. Next, what we do is we grab our holder and you align it just to make sure that you can insert the 2 provided screws. And yes, you can. So now what you do is you grab a screwdriver, you have a little screw. Now that we are done with it, we can put these beautiful covers on. And that's it. And you now got yourself a fully functional sunglass holder, so you can easily store your favorite pair of sunglasses with an easy reach whenever you need to use them. And we're done. Now you know how to install a very useful sunglass holder in your car. This procedure is not only applicable to this BMW, other ranges of BMWs, but also many makes and models. Every product I used and tools I used, I'm going to link down in the description. And if you like this video, maybe give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.